Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we are going to see how to set up the UET tag inside the Microsoft Ads account. Once we log into our account guys, we can go to the Tools section on the top right corner, and under Conversion Tracking, we can come to UET tag. So from here we start the process. So the first thing what we are going to do is we are going to create a new UET tag, a Universal Event Tracking inside this account. So for which we can click on plus create and create a new UET tag from here. We have to give some basic information like the name and description, which we can provide in this manner. And then we can save and continue. So now Microsoft will give us multiple options to paste this code. The first is we can install the code ourselves. If we understand programming, we can take the code from here and go into our website and paste. The second is we can send it to our programmer who can do the same thing. And third would be a case wherein we can connect it with a particular website editing platform like a Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce or Shopify, and from there we can paste the code. The fourth option is where we can use the Google Tag Manager steps to paste this code guys. I have built my website on Wix, so I'm going to choose the third option, which will give me the instructions of how to paste this code through Wix specifically. So now you can see all the platforms available out here. So I'm going to select Wix out here. And now you can see this is the programming code which needs to be pasted on the website. So we can copy this tag, and Microsoft also provides you the instructions of how to paste it on your platform, and they give you step-by-step instructions for that as well. So we can copy the code, and now I'm going to go inside my Wix account. So this is the dashboard guys for my account. I'll go to the settings of this specific account. And on this page, we are going to go to the advanced settings where we can paste the code. Here, as you can see, it says custom code. This is where we are going to paste this code guys. And we're going to add a custom code to do that. And now you can see the same code has been pasted out here. And now I can apply this to the page which I want specifically. So I can choose the specific page out here and I can then apply. In this manner, I've added the code at the back end. I'm just going to refresh the page so that it takes it into consideration. In the meanwhile, I'll just show you, this is the website guys, which I'm using right now, okay, on which we are pasting the code at the back end. Right now, if you check the particular UET tag helper extension of Microsoft, it shows us clearly that there is no UET tag currently found. But now that the code has been pasted at the back end, let's try to refresh the page. And now if we check the Chrome extension, it says this UET tag is set up correctly. In this manner guys, we will be able to set up the programming code for conversion tracking in our website for our Microsoft Ads account. I hope this makes sense and everyone is clear now with the process. Now we can go back to our account guys and we can click on next and we can say done. So in this way, the UET tag can be implemented into our website, which will now help to track all the conversions which we are generating through our Microsoft Ads account. I hope this makes sense and now you understand the process. Thank you so much guys for listening into this session today. Have a great day guys.